Hi guys, VST here, Ben Speaks Tech. Oh. Not now, Bill. Not now, please. Hi guys, VST here, Ben Speaks Tech, and this is the Siemens A65, as you can tell, right? Because it's just written there. It's a Siemens mobile phone, and the model is A65. So guys, this phone has been announced 2004 July, so it's almost like 17 years. I just got it yesterday. Today I found a charger, I just plugged it, it works. 17 years old Siemens mobile phone, you know, when people really used to do good stuff, very durable. Let me just give you some facts, guys. 2004 was 17 years ago. Mark Zuckerberg was just 20 years and he just started Facebook some months ago. Twitter, right, in 2004 did not really exist because Twitter was established 2 years after 2004, namely in 2006. So this phone practically existed into the pre-Twitter era and just in the same year when Facebook was launched. So 17 years old phone, guys, right? You just get inside the battery, removable battery, right? No problem at all. Very easy to get your SIM card there. I was just eager to test it. I said to myself, hey, this is really crazy. 17 years old technology and it still works, right? So there are a lot of technology inside this phone, guys, and for the 2004 year, I think it was really a very, very nice phone. But let me give you some very rough facts, right? This phone weighs only 75 grams, so it's practically like you don't have anything in your hand. Let me just give you some context. This here is the Pixel 6, right? And the Pixel 6 is actually a small phone compared to all the other huge phones there. So 75 grams, guys. It is 101 millimeters, so it's really a very tiny phone. The display you can see here is CSTN. How many of you guys know what this is, right? CSTN, it stands for Color Super Twisted Pneumatic Display, right? And it has the whooping 4096 colors, right? No card slot, you can just put 50 entries directly on the sync calls. It has the whooping 1.5 megabytes of memory. And by the way, guys, as you can see, privacy proof, right? No camera at all, but you can still use this camera here and add it as a clips. Right, I'm gonna show you later, guys. There is really a menu for the camera, but the camera was just an add-on, right? It doesn't really have any jacks for headphones, but it has a very nice loudspeaker. And in terms of communication, guys, very easy. No Bluetooth, no VLAN, no GPS, no radio, right? So it's really a very future-proof phone. Not a lot of extras, but for the 2004, I think it was one of the better phones. Of course, this was not like top of the line, like the S series, the SL series, but it was a nice phone. Like, if you can just think about today's like Samsung A series. It does have SMS, EMS, MMS, and it has a whooping WAP version 1.1, which I'm gonna try to demonstrate together with you. But as you can already see, guys, this phone is already connected to GPRS. How much of you remember what this stands even for? It's not 3G, it's not 4G, it's not 5G. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service, is a packet-oriented mobile data standard on the 2G and 3G cellular communication network, right? So this phone, probably 2G, right? And yeah, if you probably been lucky in the next years, you could have used 3G, but it's a 2G phone. But you see, it is connected, which is really crazy. It doesn't have a lot of extras, but you can still play games. You can open GIF files, JPEG files, you can even open WAV files. I'm gonna show you guys. And it has a calculator, a stopwatch, a lot of things really for 2004 that, yeah, you'll probably not find in many of those phones. The battery I just shown you, 700 mAh of battery, but it can give you up to 2 hours of talk time and 260 hours of standby, guys. So yeah, this is going to be my review of the 17 years old Siemens A65. First thing we're going to start, guys, is here. This is when you can see the battery and also your reception. Now we have a menu button. The navigation is, by the way, very straightforward, but you have to figure it out. Like, it took me like 2 minutes to just understand what do I do. I think it's very obvious. It has a physical keyboard. Now I'm gonna press this button to go inside the menu. Let me show you the menu, guys. It starts with a phone book, then you have call records, then you have surf and fun. Inside you have internet and games, all right, spoiler, ringtones, then we have messages, then we have the camera, again, provided you have this here, you can plug it there. Then we have the extras, then we have own stuff, and then we have setup. So let me just start with the very first menu, guys. First menu is the Phonebook. Apparently it's a very standard menu. You can just read the contacts from your SIM card, save contacts, edit contacts. Let's try to create a new entry. You have the number, the name, the email, right? You can add it to a group, you can save it to the SIM card, or even to the mobile, or even to the protected SIM, right? And of course you can just say the number of the record, okay? It's very standard stuff. The next thing here is the call records, calls that are missed, calls received, calls dialed, erase records, and duration charges. You can view the phone number, you can go to options, by the way, view correct number, or even delete all, right? So it really has a very nice menu, by the way. And what is very strange, very weird, it doesn't feel so old, guys. Sorry for saying this, 17 years old phone, but it does not feel so old. All right, now let's get to the nice part, guys. We have surf and fun. What happens when we go inside? Select. We have homepage, we have bookmarks, we have the internet, we have games and more. What happens when you go to homepage? It's gonna try to get to something that of course doesn't really work, but I wanna really show you guys something that really blew my mind. When you go inside the bookmarks, because let's say T-Mobile phone, of course unlock, we have T-Zones, we have downloads, we have T-Email, we have media, we have T-Movies, T-Games, T-Sports, T-Music, T-News, right? And guys, I added here Google. I can just show you if I go to options, edit, I tried to add it here Google. It's actually the URL is google.bg, and I tried to open this one. For some reasons, probably I'm just not patient enough, but I was not able to connect, although my phone tried to initiate a GPS connection. If probably I leave the phone on my desk, after 5 minutes probably I'm gonna be able to get something, but apparently yeah, it's not something that you can just use straightforward right now in 2021, almost like 2022. Let's go now to games and more. Please wait. So we have the stack attack, we have the magic picture, we have a photo editor, we have WAPO. Okay, let's just go and start the first one. And you have something, again, blowing my mind, download new. It says here in German mehr Spiele, which means T-games, or mehr Spiele means more games. If you click, it will of course open something that is now long gone, and even the company Siemens doesn't produce phones anymore. But let's start the games that are on the phone. First one is Stack Attack, right? Handy games, you can just see. It's very tiny display. Siemens Mobile, right? You will be missed for sure. Stack Attack, okay, we have options, you can start, high score, instructions. Okay, let's go for instructions, gameplay. Your job is to clean up a warehouse. You can just see it's a pretty normal like mobile game, by the way. So, right, settings, you can adjust the volume apparently. Yep. So why not? Illumination, right? Wow, illumination of the screen, silent alert, and etc. But let's just try to start a game. Okay, select. That's the character that we're selecting here. Please wait. Okay. Now, how do we play this one? Oh my god, yeah. Oh, yeah, that was the end of me. 4 points. Let's check the other game, the Magic Picture. Handy games, it's again the same provider. Siemens Mobile, wow. Okay, let's just hit the start button here. See here, guys, we have PNG files. ABC, dolphin, fish, pizza. Okay, let's go open the fish one. Let's see what will happen right now. Okay, I'm gonna select, okay, let's select easy. It will probably shuffle the picture around or something like this. Oh, yeah, I was right. Okay, honestly, this would be a very fun game to play even right now, of course, on a modern phone. Why not? Why not? Alright, save game. You can even save your games. Incredible, guys. Then you have also the photo editor. So what happens when you go here and click the photo editor? Let's open the photo editor. Wow, photo editor version 1, Softex. Jesus Christ. I'm not sure if this site exists. If I open this site, I'm 100% sure it's probably not there anymore. Siemens Mobile, let's just see. Photo editor from softexdigital.com. Open image. Permit application. So see, these were the early days of the smartphones. Flower GIF. Alright, they have these. So this phone can apparently open BMPs, JPEGs, GIFs, and of course, I'm show you later, also animated GIFs, guys. It really was a thing on its own. Alright, have all the sites here. I'm very interested to see what you can do with this. Okay, I don't understand anything. You can adjust, warp, flip horizontally. You can adjust the scale, import image. You can add text. Incredible, the things you were able to do, guys. The things you were able to do with a phone like this. The next section is the ringtones. So we have the ringer settings, we have send and learn, we have the volume. Alright, if you go to volume, yeah, see? Several stages of the volume. We have a call tone, group call tones, other call tones, alarm tones, message tones, more tones. What will happen if I open more tones? Call screening, key tones, minute bip, information tones, right? A lot of things. But hey, the funniest part here would be to select the call tone. I just want to show you guys how many crazy tunes we have here. And by the way, it also does support wave. Alright, see? This is a wave file, guys. But let's just go and see all the other options. See here. Sounds so old school. Classical music. Message. Yep, standard. Rock that. Smooth reggae. I'm gonna go for smooth reggae right now, okay? So this is the melody updated. Then we have the messages, guys. New SMS, new MMS, predefined text, right? Could not reach you, how are you? Please call back when you'll arrive, see you later. Well, I think the standard stuff. And then here, guys, we have the camera. Connect a clip-on camera to start application. 2004, you were able to purchase this, put it here, and then use a camera. Okay, now extras. One might scratch his head, what should extras be? Go inside, guys. You see we have the alarm clock, we have the calculator, by the way, right? We have also a stopwatch. Okay, I can reset it, I can start it. You know, we have options, stopwatch list. It's a full functioning extras. Alarm clock on and off, right? Let's set one alarm, you can go there. You can just select a date, you can just select an on and off, guys, and that's pretty much it, right? We don't really have a lot of other options. Alarm time has been updated, and if I go to the alarm clock, I don't have any other option to select like schedules and etc. But hey, it is what it is, and you see it has these fancy animations when you're selecting it or when you're killing the alarm. Then we have the own stuff menu, and this is where things get interesting because we have the pictures, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. See, it opens GIF, which is, this is a flower. Okay, let me just open the flower GIF. All right. It does also open BMP files because here we have a screensaver, and I just want to show you it works. All right. See, this is the T-Mobile screensaver, and it also opens animated GIF. I want to come to the animated GIFs. I'm just trying to find them. Okay, EMS files. When I go inside EMS, we have more BMPs like flowers and all the nice stuff and the animations. Okay. Let's just go down. So the next thing is animations here. GIF open file 2004, guys, 4096 colors, and this is indeed an animated GIF. Of course, it will take some time to be processed, but I don't lie here. We hopefully are gonna see it very soon. In 3, 2, yeah, that's not gonna be so fast, but it's here, guys. See, open file, right? See, this really displaying animated GIFs. We can go again into the EMS folder, and there we have some ASCII animations like cinema, okay, like coffee, and etc. and etc. All right, and this has been the animations. Then we have sounds, and I showed you already, guys. We have a sound for alarm. We can open wave files and really doing crazy stuff. And last but not least, guys, we have here the setup menu. We have profiles for the environment, quiet, normal, like noisy. I mean, you just even car kit, right? Then we have options for the display. You can just select a different language, tons of languages, by the way. Wallpaper on and off, log on and off. And what I wanted to show you guys, color scheme. You can go for the wet one, right? Or you can go for the default one, which is here for this one, the T-Mobile one. On gridding, big letters, like this is the standard menu, and this is what you get with big letters. And now see here, guys, illumination. Right, I can pump it up, I can crank it up to 100. Okay, this crazy CSTN color super twisted pneumatic display, and also contrast, guys. See, you can really adjust the contrast in the way it suits you best, and it's really so crazy. Just holding a 17 years old phone in your hand, and yeah, phone works. See here, guys, we even have a status bar. Now I've set an alarm so we can just see here. And guys, before we close the video, let's just try to make a call so that I can really prove to you this thing works. See? initiating a call, hands-free, yeah. Volume control, hands-free, guys. It even had hands-free, right? 17 years of history now in this very tiny and small phone, guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoy creating this video. So if you have liked it, you can also try to check one of my other videos. I occasionally do also some more recent phones reviews and software reviews. With that said, guys, please you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. With that said, VST, over and bye.